What is one for how many years?
6 years.
What movement tried to end racial discrimination?
Give up cold ground beef taco, guys. Oh, I'm gonna use this cumin. I add 2 cups of water. Then granulated garlic powder. And then beef bouillon. And then taco seasoning mix. I'm gonna open this big guy. There you go. And then I'm gonna wait when the water is gone. And I'm gonna taste it. Sus, nag-English ang Bisayang na po. Ako din siyang tilawan. Tikman natin pagkatapos lalagyan ng seasoning kung anong kulang na seasoning. Ano siya guys, hintayin lang natin siya mawala yung tubig. Kasi yung tubig pang ano yan, pangluto ng karne. Lami kayo. A very yummy ground beef taco for the taco. Is cooking! Hard taco. Hard shells taco. What's the question?
To obey the laws of the United States. To obey the
We
laws
have here the ground
of the
beef.
United States.
That one is the hard taco.
Group 6.
Cooking. Mauritius.
Name one U.S. territory.
And we have here
Name one U.S. territory.
the little Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico.
Tomato
One of our US
and
territories.
onions. Lettuce, tomato, and onion.
Name one
And
state
then
that
here's
borders
the
Mexico.
cheese.
Name one state that borders Mexico.
California. California is the border of Mexico.
California.
Oh, in the right.
Name
Look,
one
it's-
state that borders Canada.
New York.
Name one state
I'm gonna have to
that
hide that
borders
flashlight
Canada.
somewhere else.
Cold War. What was the main concern of the United States?
Communism.
Cold War. Communism. Communism.
Tomato.
Name the U.S. war between the North and the South. Name the U.S. war between the North and the South.
World War II.
The Civil War.
Oh my God.
The
I'm
Civil
wrong.
War.
I'm wrong.
Why did the colonists fight the British?
For
Why did the colonists
No.
fight the British?
Over
High
taxation.
taxes. Because of the high taxes.
Because of high taxes. Because of high taxes. What major event happened on September 11, 2001 in the United States?
Terrorist attack.
What major event happened
Attack the
on
United
September
States.
11,
Terrorist attack
2001
in New
in the
York.
United States?
No, terrorist attack in the United States.
Terrorist attack.
Terrorists attacked the United
No one.
States.
He's American, but he can't answer all the questions.
Well, I just gave more detail. It was a terrorist attack, but it happened in New York.
What did
Oh, it happened
the
there?
Emancipation
Yeah.
Proclamation
That's when
do?
the terrorists crashed the
Fred
airplanes
Astaire.
into the
What did the Emancipation
buildings, the tall
Proclamation
buildings,
do?
the Twin Towers.
Fred
The
Astaire.
Emancipation Proclamation freed the slaves. Name one problem that led to the Civil War. Name one problem
Freedom.
that led
Oh, no.
to the Civil War.
Slavery.
Slavery.
Slavery. Slavery. Group 8, numbers. How many amendments does the Constitution have?
27.
How many amendments does the Constitution have? 27. 27 amendments. How many U.S. senators are there?
100.
How many U.S. senators are there?
Oh, the latest is the last.
100 senators.
100
We
senators.
elect a president for
Yeah, I
how
should have
many
put
years?
the cheese last, but
Yeah,
We
4 years.
elect a president for how many years?
4 years.
4. 4 years for a president.
Paanta guys, mukbang tag tacos. Hard tacos.
Group 9, parts of the government.
Mm.
What are 2 cabinet level positions? What are 2 cabinet level positions?
Secretary of Defense, Secretary of Religion. Oh, Education.
Here we have a list. I chose Secretary of Defense and Secretary of Education. Secretary of Defense and Secretary of Education. Who is in charge of the executive branch? Who is in charge of the executive branch?
the president.
The president. The president is in charge of the executive branch.
How long?
What is the economic system in the United States?
Capitalist.
What is the economic system
Market.
in the United States? It's a capitalist economy. A capitalist economy. The other answer here is market economy